Good morning, dear students. We'll be starting a new chapter today. It's a poem, a watering rhyme. It is a poem about watering the plants. Early in the morning or the evening hour are the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only makes them die. Also, when you water at the roots. Flowers keep their mouths where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth around them, then through all the heat, the flowers will have water for their thirsty feet. The poet of this poem, a watering rhyme, is P.A. Ropes. And what is the poet saying? He is saying that we should water the plants only early in the morning and the evening hour. Means we should water the plants only in the early morning hours and in the evening. That is the perfect time to water the plants, because at that time the flowers will bloom and they will get all the water they require. Watering at noonday, if we water the plants at noonday when the sun is overhead and it is shining brightly, then it will not help the flowers, it will only make them die. They will wither and die अगर हम उन्हें गलत टाइम पे पानी देंगे. Understood? Next, also when you water at the roots. When you water, we should water at the roots. See, water at the roots. Roots is the part of the plant which is under the soil, under the ground, and if we water at the roots, then only the roots will absorb the water from the earth, from the soil around it, and it will move upwards from the stem to the leaves, to the flowers, to the buds and all parts of the plant. Okay, whenever you water, you should water at the roots, क्योंकि फ्लावर्स के माउथ वहाँ है जहाँ पे हम अपने बूट्स पहनते हैं. हम अपनी फीट में. वैसे ही फ्लावर्स का माउथ कहाँ है? उनके पैरों में, नीचे रूट्स में. सोक द अर्थ अराउंड देम. सोक द अर्थ का मतलब यहाँ पे सॉइल से है, मिट्टी से है. उनके आसपास हमें वेट करना है, गीला करना है. देन थ्रू ऑल द हीट दे विल हैव द वाटर एंड दे कैन यूज़ दैट वाटर फॉर their growth and development. Okay, this is the poem, a watering rhyme. You have to read this poem once again and you have to try reciting it also. Okay, write this poem in your notebook and also draw a picture related to it.